If you think working hard alone will make you rich, think again. After reading 40 books on wealth, money, and success, I've uncovered the real secrets that separate the rich from the rest. And guess what? It's not just about saving coffee money or working 80 hours a week. In this video, I'll break down what actually makes people rich step by step. Let's dive in. Step 1. Think like the rich. Think and Grow Rich, the millionaire next door. Wealth starts in the mind. Rich people believe that money is abundant, while the poor think money is scarce. The rich see opportunities, the poor see obstacles. Actionable tip: shift your mindset. Instead of saying, "I can't afford this," ask, "How can I afford this?" Step 2. Build multiple income streams. Rich Dad Poor Dad, the 4-hour work week. Most rich people don't rely on a single job. They have multiple sources of income: investments, businesses, royalties, and more. Actionable tip: start building a second income. Whether it's a side hustle, a YouTube channel, or investing, just start. Step 3. Master high-income skills. The millionaire fastlane, so good they can't ignore you. The rich don't get paid for time, they get paid for skills. High-income skills like sales, coding, copywriting, or investing can make you a fortune. Actionable tip: pick a skill, master it, and monetize it. Step 4. Invest smartly. The intelligent investor, money, master the game. Rich people don't just work for money, they make money work for them. Investing in stocks, real estate, or businesses is the key. Actionable tip: start investing even if it's just $10. The earlier you start, the richer you'll get. Step 5. Build powerful networks. Never eat alone. How to win friends and influence people. Your network is your net worth. Rich people surround themselves with smart, ambitious people who challenge them to grow. Actionable tip: join groups, attend events, and connect with successful people. Step 6. Control your time. The 4-hour work week, atomic habits. The rich value time more than money. They delegate, automate, and focus on what truly matters. Actionable tip: stop trading time for money, build systems that work for you. So, here's the truth. The rich don't work harder, they work smarter. They invest, they build skills, they create income streams, and they value time. If you want to be rich, start now. Which step are you going to take today? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.